Hey guys, I just want to make a quick video if you are having trouble finding the quizzes. I have the OHS here and I'm going to go over to Instructional Cycle 1. Remember that the quizzes and tests are not going to show up for you unless you have done the required assignments previously in the other lessons. So when I click right here on Unit 1, you will see the lesson. So this is the best way to get to the quizzes. So you're going to click on Unit 1 and then whatever you need. You will see checks over here when you have completed what you are supposed to complete. So if I click on Lesson 3 right now, and I want to take the pop quiz, I'm going to scroll down, and it should be right here. Okay, so you can see the check mark. That means I've done the pop quiz. This is not going to show up for you if you have not completed the required assignments for this particular quiz. So you may be asking yourself, how do I know what is required? Well, you should be completing everything in every lesson here, okay? But there are specific ones that are tied to this quiz. So you can go back to the calendar over here, and you'll see this column, the fourth column over says release conditions for graded work. So I'm going to scroll it down to this week. And you'll see that on Monday, I had to complete these activities. So if your quiz is not showing, go back to Lesson 1. Did you complete the vocab guide? Did you open that? Did you print that out? Did you access the Quizlet? Did you do Set 1 matching? Did you do U1, L1 synthesis, listening, and reading practice? If not, that could be why your quiz is not showing. On Tuesday, you had to do this matching activity, okay? And then you'll see today that the only release condition is Unit 1 pop quiz. And that is a requirement for a future quiz that you'll be taking, okay? So today, we have the Unit 1 reading quiz. Depending on when you're watching this video, I'm making it on Thursday the 23rd. So you'll see that today in Lesson 4, you have to have completed all of these activities, okay? There's our reading comprehension email you had to access. The help video has to be accessed. And then, of course, this reading quiz has to be done as well. That will be for a future test. So we have put in this column the assignments on the day where they fall in the lesson. Okay, so up here in Lesson 1 on Monday, you should have completed these. Okay, so all of these have to be completed this week in order for those quizzes to show up. Once you have completed them, you'll be able to click on Lesson 3 and that pub quiz will show for you just like I just showed you. Okay, so if you have any other questions about that, please let me know. There is also a list in course materials. I'm going to show you that really quickly. So in course materials, you scroll down, you're going to see a release condition student chart. If you click right here, it's going to open up a Word document for you that tells you the list of what's required for that quiz. Okay, so Unit 1 pop quiz, there's the 4 assignments I have to have completed in order for that quiz to show up for me. So if this list is easier for you to handle than the calendar, feel free to print it out. You'll see that it's here for the whole semester. So that's what that looks like. Again, that is in course materials. If you have any further questions, please reach out to me via email. Thanks, guys.